Man, what is the word? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I know y'all see in the background, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Got my guy. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I ain't, you know what I'm saying, had no video in a long time, to be honest with you. I'm outside today, you feel me? Look, listen, lately I have not been outside at all. I've been chilling, minding my business, you know what I'm saying? You doing me, doing, you know what I'm saying? Just doing nothing. You feel me? He's a security officer. Is he a police or a security? I don't know. But I've been doing nothing.
Hey, that's me, my car's sport. Wait, wrong way.
Sport? Damn! You heard that?
Yeah. I'm telling you, that's the second time he did that.
Listen, that Camaro nice, but listen, it's crazy. This lens is crazy. Like I got a point at me that got both of us.
Okay. This means I got 100+ horsepower.
Exactly. But no, like I said, I'm outside. I haven't been outside lately at all. But
Look, 100 horsepower. Spoiler, 100 more horsepower. Buoyancy. 100 more horsepower.
And that shit. Look how strong that is. Look, that's why y'all need to get y'all one of these. Look how strong it is. This is Dodge Charger. It broke already. Okay. Damn, shit that bit don't look good. You feel me? Stop playing. Who are you? What are you doing? But nah though, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. She actually, I haven't got her washed in a long time though. Dang. That's on. Hey, you know what that means? But nah though, okay, you know what I'm saying? Look, listen, I'm gonna give y'all a bite. I'm gonna give y'all a bite this time. Like I said, y'all ate my kings and y'all had fucked this shit up. Y'all took a big bite when I told y'all to take a small bite. So listen, y'all take a little bite. Don't get too much. Like don't only get that little corner right here. Alright? Here, so eat it. Eat it. Damn, y'all niggas hungry as hell. Y'all ate my food. Fuck. Y'all took a big bite, boy. Hey, y'all good. Y'all not getting no more, bro. Let me eat. Let me eat in peace. Okay. No, not the CD. No. I had just finished my food, and somebody got pulled up right here. Hey, to be honest with you, I'm off topic and I'm all over the place. Listen, if y'all pay 5M, bro, y'all join my server. You hear me? Y'all play 5M, y'all join my server because I got a serious RP server, you feel me? If y'all play serious RP, I got a serious RP server I be playing. I be doing. Oh, Supra. I got a serious RP server I be in that me and the homeboys we own it, you feel me? Called LA City. Feel me? LA City RP is right here. LA City RP, y'all join that joint. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna put a link in the bio. Make sure y'all get in that joint and lock in. And don't be crazy if you get wasted. Listen, my guys. We are currently at where we about to go, you feel me? Listen, I don't know if y'all know about that, but we at a live area right now, you feel me? Maybe right there too, I ain't gonna lie. I always parking and also, you know, the little handicap thing. I think that's gonna be all I record for today. Probably gonna record later on tonight when we finish and leave out. But right now, there ain't nobody here, so I'm not about to go in there right now, but you know what I'm saying? I just bring the camera just cause. Bringing the camera, talking to y'all, and let y'all know what we about to do, you know what I'm saying? Until then, but to be honest with you, I'm not even in the right attire right now, like, bro, look what I got on. Got on some bullshit. This ain't no bullshit, you know what I'm saying? This slight drip, you feel me? Slight drip, you feel me? I'm saying you got the back tee and things of the nature, you know what I'm saying? Just something slight, you feel me? But I am gonna change, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna change up to my pants on or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you ain't gotta worry about that when I put my pants on. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, to be honest with you, I'm saying, hey, don't get the Mr. Screw, you feel me? I say that right. You know what I'm saying? We all got that on, for real, okay? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? It's after the fact. Listen, I ain't gonna lie, I'm putting out the time right now. It's 2 o'clock. I don't know if y'all see the time, hold up. Focus, 2:04, no yappity. Man, my God. On game. I ain't gonna lie, that zone was turned, no cap. I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? We about to change the oil. On my car, look, I never changed the oil in my car before myself, you know what I'm saying? I always had him do it, so I'm about to try to do it now. So, I ain't gonna lie, tutorial. First, what you gotta do is grab your tools, you know what I'm saying? Grab your things. To be honest with you, I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to do. To be honest with you, did I get it right oil? 5W20. Is that 5W20? Is it? Yeah, it is. Damn, Bobo. Making me stuck.
Yeah. Alright, we already got the car up on jacks, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, and I am scared to be honest with you, because I'm saying last time, you know, the car failed. If y'all got a Chrysler, make sure you get this tool right here. All right, bet. Now.
You need showing the tool.
Damn, hold up. Damn, how the fuck you do this? Oh, that jump stuck. Okay. Yeah, that bitch stuck. Ain't gonna lie. I don't know how to use this shit, so I'm gonna use this other one. All right, bet. So grab this bit and then unscrew it like this. You see this? All right, bet. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh damn. Oh damn, I'm fucking this shit up. Fuck, bro.
Ain't no way.
Bro, nah, that shit is tight, bro. Trust me. Hold on, never mind, I got it.
Yeah.
All right, bet. Let's see.
I gotta stop laughing like that. The mic went all the way up.
Let's see. Damn, this bitch still stuck. Oh, that bitch dusty.
Yo.
And this is day 20. I haven't cleaned my car. Probably day 30 for real. Let me see. That shit not turning, bro. Okay. This tool broke. Prove that I'm not tripping. That joint is not working at all.
I can't see. Damn, bro.
Told you that bit tight.
It's probably because hot as fuck, too. Pressurized. I don't know. Science behind this.
Put
shit.
some water on that bitch. Oh, shit. Scared.
Yeah, that's hot.
Shit. Bad. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. I got a cheap one. They don't cost. Big cost. $7. Damn, that bit dark.
That one tool that we were using at first.
Damn, my guy. Come on. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, go. Nigga stuck. I think I heard it. Well, how do you do it? Oh, you. Never mind. Yeah, I put my hand in that bit right now.
Huh?
I put my hand in that bit right now.
It's not that hot.
So, no, I ain't doing that
It's
shit.
hot.
Time to find the funnel. Time to find the funnel. Oh, I'm not finding shit in here. Captain, I found it too quick. Too quick. Shit, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully, there ain't no problem with it.
Yeah, right there, Willow. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, shit. I'm not gonna lie. I lost all the footage that was left of this whole video. So I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to make no excuses, but I want y'all to hit that button, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hit that subscribe button. Hope y'all did enjoy this video. I try to put something together, try to be different a little bit, you feel me? But, you know what I'm saying, yeah. You know what I'm saying? New videos coming soon, and it's gonna be actually better and litter. No yappity.